Probably should go up about right here where I'm at.
I can go down straight here, straight up. It looks like it's all trees up there. Oh shit. Come here and tell me if you think it's over.
Come on, kid. Show 'em how
Oh
it's done.
shit.
I will if you want.
What?
Go for it.
I know I can make it. That's don't hit no damn trees. It must be real teeny tiny things I can run over. Here you go.
Oh. Motherfucker! Ah, get out! Get out! Get out! Poking me everywhere.
Come on! He poked thorns over here on the other side of me.
I'm leaking off, bro. Hurry.
Come on!
You got it! Just don't let up. Hell, going down this. I hate going down steeps.
This ain't that steep.
I know it, but I hate going down any hill. I dare climb it than I would going down it. God, I hate going down hills. Yeah, what do you think about that, Big Lucas? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh! Don't let it wreck, boy. You got it on camera too, Lucas.
How the hell did you do it?
I hit it right.
He got in dog shit.
That's fucking fun. It's heavy, ain't it? I don't like it. You think I really should go off the bike though instead of the truck? Yeah, I would. Wouldn't you? You ain't even seen the truck yet though, man. Well, either one you want. I can
Only
trade the
thing
truck for you
is,
something.
the truck is gonna get about maybe 7 to 8 miles to go. Big V8.
Oh, hell yeah. Around here, hey, people fucking hit the brake and give gas. I don't know where the fuck they got the driver's license. But you will suck the fucking gas.
Bad in that truck.
Cause that's what I got. I got that, I think 5.4.
Hey, Lucas, is it extended cab?
Hey. Ride that and see if you think that's got more power.
Think that?
Hell yeah. I probably could have climbed that in about third. Now it won't kick in until about the end of first gear. I don't see it. Hang on. Up hot. Yeah, hot. Huh?
You never rode a banshee.
Ride it. I believe it's getting too much air where we took that screw out. They didn't make it? Damn, I should have recorded that. It's hard getting neutral while it's running. I don't know why.
It don't want to open up good till you get going.
Yeah, I noticed it.
But then it opens up good.
Like I said, I believe it's getting too much air where we took that screw out, because it acts like it's, when you first go pull out, blah, 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 it acts like it's flooded out with air.
He tried, he didn't make it. All right, your turn. Go up.
I don't know, go. I'll take you away.
I ain't gonna make it again. Oh shit. Hey, we did ride with Lucas more often. He wrecks more as Zach does. He wrecked twice today.
You'll never pick that up from an angle. Will he?
Probably not.
I turn the gas off.
Just pick it up. You can pick it up.
I'm glad I did record. Got 2 wrecks.
You got them both?
Yeah, I got him when he slid on that rock and when he rode over right there.
Pick it up. Well, go ahead, pick it up.
He should have kept it pinned when he was going up there, shouldn't he? Which, man, you got a heavy bike. It takes a freaking beast to pick that up when you wreck over.
Can't you lift it? Hey, well, pick it up before the oil runs out of it.
Got a little bit of the drop now. Forgot.
Yeah, had a gas. Not in between you two.
Yeah, I recorded both Lucas's wrecks.
Hear me?
What happened?
You should tell why I flip and jump on it.
If it was to start cartwheel and flipping, you wouldn't have stopped it. But when you jump, you run past that thing. When you jumped off of it, you kind of run it and stop. See that one?
Damn son, man. Are you? Yeah. Hey James!
Yeah.
Tell him his muffler's rubbing his back wheel.
The muffler's rubbing the back wheel.
I know. It does when I double.
Oh.
Well, I didn't know. Yeah, I hear you.
Huh?
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I guess he wasn't lying, was he? He went up about half of it on his back wheel.
How do you get report on that?
Just like this bottom button here is your power button. And when it's blue, it's for it's recording. You push the power button again, turn it red, and it will just take pictures. But you gotta hit the top button to make it record and turn it on and off.
It's recording now?
Yep. Been recording ever since we pulled out.
Oh.
Except a little bit. Somehow it got turned off. I must have hit a tree branch or something.
Went way up it on the back wheel.
That's what I said. That's what I told Lucas. You went about halfway up it on your back wheel.
You get on the back with me. Let Lucas sit on cross handlebars and we'll go up.
Fuck you. That ain't happening. Nope.
Go on, James.
Should do up right here or over there.
I'd go up right there.
Don't touch my belly fat.
Make sure that thing's recording.
Don't touch my belly
Hear me?
fat.
Kevin, make sure that thing's recording when you go down this hall.
It's recording.
Oh, okay.
Why is it steeper than hell? I'm gonna cuss you all the way down it.
You might cuss him a little bit. No, it ain't bad though. What time is it?
If it's too bad, I'll walk it down it. I don't give a damn.
I just said I hope that pipe on where it rains in. I bet that's muddier and I don't get that down.
Nah. Don't go left through the mud.
I'll go all the way over on that side and ride sideways on through if I have to.
Yeah, you can. Go on.
Thinking about it. Might be like Lucas, I'll get up there and roll to the bottom.
Try it again.
Huh?
I'll try it again.
You said first?
Oh yeah, first, second, third, whatever you want to hit it in.
I'm trying first.
Let me do it first for you. Let me do it first for you.
You gonna leave me alone till I do it or you?
Nope.
Damn it, son. Shit.
You got sunglasses on, go for it.
You gonna help. It's like a big glider.
You be alright. He's a kick.
Seriously, how steep is that hill?
About like that.
Ah, hell, y'all wouldn't be laughing if it was.
It is about like that. It's just like 4 of them long.
Oh, I don't care to go down something fucking long, just as long as it don't...
Oh no, it don't get no steeper than that. It's just long. It's like that right there from here all the way down.
Oh, that ain't nothing. I just use clutch as an extra brake, honey. Now, if I say get the hell out of the way, it's probably because me and it's rolling. Yeah, man, we need to put my skid plate back on. I forgot all about that.
What do you want to do now?
We can go down through wherever you want. It'll take us 20 minutes to get out of there. Huh?
Hour.
Down now you're home.
That ain't it. It's not that way.
No, it ain't that way.
It used to be out that way.
Oh, yeah, okay, we come down the opposite direction. Oh, move it. Oh, we gonna try again? Yeah, we can try again. Like it's in our red.
I'm recording. You'll be on the YouTube tonight, Lucas, or maybe tomorrow morning. Depends.
You got YouTube again?
First gear.
Hey.
Yeah, it's Holler Boys with the Z.
Holler Boys with a Z.
Yeah.
I'll have to look it up. I'm gonna get back to work.
Yeah, I got some of David Lee and Lucas trying to climb some hills down there at the graveyard, and we went up here and went to Beach Creek. I got that, and then I got today's
So you
ride.
can take off whatever you don't want on there, right?
Huh?
You can put the whole thing on there, you take off.
Oh, I can take it off, but I usually just ride the whole thing, unless it's just a bunch of boring talking, and then I turn it.
You can edit it. Cut all that out. He'll come off there and not realize that the back brakes ain't working. Forget. Hit that front brake real hard. Flop. He's gonna try to come down and get running too.
Better leave it in gear so right off the clutch, slow it down.
Go slow.
What?
Go slow. I figured you come out there and jump out through yonder.
Cool. So you can put that much down there and go right up in the car and go. Tree stop.
Start it.
I'll go ahead and get turned around. Sure you don't want to go first, because I'll be going slow. Shit. Shit.